In 2025, trucking fleets across the country are facing one of their biggest challenges yet: rising insurance costs. But the good news is there are proven ways to stay ahead and cut expenses without sacrificing coverage. Insurance premiums continue to climb due to nuclear verdicts in court cases, higher repair costs for modern trucks, and soaring medical claims. Add in driver turnover and inexperienced operators, and it's easy to see why fleets are paying more than ever. One of the most effective ways to fight back is through safety. Structured driver training and strong compliance programs not only reduce accidents, they also qualify fleets for valuable insurance discounts. Technology plays a big role too. Telematics systems and dash cams provide real-time driver data and video evidence. They improve safety scores, help defend against false claims, and can unlock lower insurance rates. Bundling policies is another smart move. Combining liability, cargo, and physical damage insurance under one plan often results in discounted premiums and simplified management. Don't let your policies go stale. Reviewing coverage at every renewal ensures you're taking advantage of the latest market options and most competitive pricing. And when it comes to choosing an agent, experience matters. Partnering with insurance specialists who understand trucking ensures you're not overpaying for coverage you don't need. Yes, insurance costs are rising, but with the right strategies, they're also manageable. By focusing on safety, leveraging technology, bundling policies, and working with experts, fleets can control one of their largest expenses in 2025. At J.E.B. Insurance Services, we specialize in helping fleets just like yours save money while staying protected. Visit J.E.B.Insurance.com for a free quote today or call us at 888-225-2258.